Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So dear students, welcome back again. We are here, physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang. It is of +1 class, or it is third part of the +1 that chapter 4. So today our topic is there of Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat is the competition event, sports event for the disabled person. Disabled means physical disabled, mentally disabled, intellectual disabled, or we can say cognitive disabled. All type of these type of individual can take participation in the Special Olympic Bharat. At first, what is the history of Special Olympic Bharat? We will talk Special Olympic India. Okay. In the beginning, there was Special Olympic. That Special Olympic started by Eunice Shriver Kennedy. Eunice Shriver Kennedy. Maybe spelling is a little bit mistake. You can correct it from yourself. She was the sister of former president of America, named John F. Kennedy. Here not C, K will be there. Kennedy. Okay. She was the sister of former President John F. Kennedy, Eunice Shriver Kennedy. She started this event in 1968 because for that disabled person they give the chance, or they give the opportunity to the disabled person that they can also play, they can also participate in the games, or through that participation of the game they can improve their lifestyle, they can also stand in the society with the person, those are normal one. They can also improve their self-esteem, they can also build up their body, their physique, they can also improve their confidence level. Many things or many principles were there behind the starting of the Special Olympic. Okay, it is the Special Olympic. Then from the motivation of this event 1968, Special Olympic India. It is started in 1987. Special Olympic India. In Special Olympic India, all over the India, the disabled person can participate in the events, or they can take the knowledge, they can take the education, they can take the training which is under the plan of Special Olympic India. Different type of centers or different type of facilities are provided by Government of India through this program in our country. So it is started in 1987. After that, in 2001 its name changed and it become Special Olympic Bharat. As you know, recently you can took example of Deepa Malik. She was a field event athlete. She got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award last year from the President of India, that is Ramnath Kovind. Okay, she is a para athlete. So these type of people participate in this game, or from that Deepa Malik we can motivate ourselves, or other person, those are disabled one, they can also motivate themselves that a individual who is having a disability, he can do also high level of work, high level of performance, high level of medals like gold, silver, bronze medal can take in the games and sports. Like other also there, a athlete, I don't know, she was a volleyball player, she got accident on that railway track. When I remember, I will tell you. Okay, 2001 named, change that becomes Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat, that is for the disabled person. So what is the vision? Vision of Special Olympic Bharat. Vision is there to provide promote the holistic development of disabled individual. Okay, to promote the holistic development. Holistic development means all over development, physically, mentally, emotionally, intellectually or socially, all type of development, health development also in the individual through the program of Special Olympic Bharat. Because under this program, a individual who is disabled one, he will take participation in the games and sports activity, or through games and sports activity we improve our physical, mental or emotional efficiency. Means efficiency means emotionally controlled, physically fit, mentally sharp. Okay, second one is there, encourage the children and adult to take participate in sports activity. Encourage the children and adult, not only children, for adult also, those are having disabilities, they are encouraged, they are motivated through this program, they have to participate in games and sports. Third one, provide them inspiring role models. I give an example of like Deepa Malik, para athlete she is, or she got medal in Paralympics, or she got Arjun Award, or I think that Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, that is confirmed last year, she got Arjun Award also. So if individual participate in these games, they will grab medals in the Olympic level, international level, or they will get award from the government, or they will become the role model for the new coming generation, like those are disabled one, or not only for the disabled one, they are the big motivation for the person, those are normal, fit and fine. If they are lethargic, they are living their life with passive things, passive thoughts, they also take motivation from the person or athlete like Deepa Malik. Fourth one is there, provide good teachers. teachers or coach. Provide good teachers or coach, those know all the activity, all the knowledge about how to train a disabled or para athlete for the games and sports. So this is also a motive or vision of the Special Olympic Bharat. Involve the community at large scale in the events. Okay, community here, normal or disabled both, they have to take responsibility, or they have to motivate the people around them, or in society they have to improve the interest of games and sports for the disabled one. 6, improve the level of games and sports. Okay, games and sports. Or all Olympic event reflect Olympic movement. We know Olympic movement is there. Under Olympic movement, that some things like improve the level of games and sports, and create interest in between the people toward the sports and games, or some ethics also, some ethic also improve in the individual's behavior, like some bad things we can remove through the physical education, games and sports. We can bring the good behavior or good behavioral skill, which are very necessary for the normal social life. Or through these type of games and sports, we eliminate the discrimination of normal or disabled one, because both are getting the same opportunity, same platform to perform for the country or for the state or district. Okay, so these are the, it is the vision of the Special Olympic Bharat. Mission is also there. Mission of Special Olympic Bharat. Previous one was the vision, that is the mission. Means cover all the children's and adults. Cover all the children's and adults with intellectual disability under this program. Under this program, what is that? Is Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat improve their lifestyle, physique, strength, behavior, no discrimination. No discrimination, emotionally controlled and socially involved. Means emotionally they can become controlled, or socially they can involve, or they can indulge in all the activity. Oath is there. Oath of Special Olympic Bharat. Oath means shapath. You know that in Summer Olympic there is also, I swear that I will take part in the games and sports with all the, follow all the rules and regulation, and I will not take any substance to improve my performance. It is oath given in the athletes are taking in the Summer Olympic Games. So oath is very important, or question also can come through from this oath in 1 marks, or if any question came in 5 marks about that, write all the things about Special Olympic Bharat. So you can write, if you write these type of thing like oath is there, so it will improve the significance of your answer. So what is the oath? Oath is there, let me win. Let me win. But if I cannot, let me be brave in the participation. Okay, let me win, but if I cannot, let me be brave in the participation or attempt. Here what he is saying let me win, मुझे जीतने दीजिए, बट इफ आई कैन नॉट, अगर मैं नहीं जीत सका, लेट मी बी ब्रेव, लेट मी बी, मैं बहादुर या निडर बनूंगा इन द पार्टिसिपेशन इन द अटेम्प्ट. और थ्रू दिस ओथ a big good message they are giving, like it is not necessary to take part to winning the gold, silver or bronze medal. The big thing is to participate in the games fairly or with the responsibility. It is given in the Summer Olympic game, that is the given by Bishop, Pennsylvania. A sentence it is given in the Summer Olympic Games. So it is the oath of this Special Olympic Bharat. After that, some achievements we will do in the next part. What is the achievement of Indian athletes in these games, like those are under the Special Olympics for the special person like disabled person. For today this much. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.